Hey guys, thank you for clicking the video. If you like what you see, please hit subscribe or like, it means a lot to me.
This is what we waited for.
$2?
$1?
$2.
$2? Would you do $1?
$1.
Okay. You want to sell?
No, we don't have. I had an old ColecoVision,
Yeah.
but I don't know where the console is. I just.
No, go ahead. I'm sorry.
Good morning.
Here, Larry. Oh, I'm so glad somebody's getting the baby stuff. She said her son has to go to a baby shower. Debbie, there's bags next to you on the left-hand side. Yeah, they. Yes, I love her. She's my babe.
If you guys have seen my first video, you will know I have lost a big flipping opportunities on vintage jersey. So when I see this one, especially it is Jordan All-Star jersey, I know I need to pick it up.
Okay. So 2 then? Okay.
I'm so happy. Thank you. Thank you so much. That's $3 with the pot. Yeah.
Thank you.
Thank you so much.
I'm just waiting for my nephew. He's gonna bring me a bag. Let me get my glasses on. All right. You want the stands with it?
These are great. You can't kill them. Yes. Thank you so much, you guys.
Do you know if this is working fine? The
As
speaker?
far as I know, it is. Do you want to plug it in? Well, you can't really. It is. I mean,
Okay, can I put it somewhere so that I can keep shopping?
yeah. Can we put it by my sister?
Okay.
Here, like,
Thank you. And this is from the neighbor, but
Yeah,
I'm gonna put it here. Thank you.
you go right there. Hold on to the left-hand rail.
Later on, yeah, this is true. Eventually they'll be that size.
Yeah, exactly. I can't remember how much I have on that.
You have a sticker say 10, I
Okay.
think, in the back.
Hey, where did you find these stickers that have?
Where do I put this in our house, Andy? Basement. Yeah. Should have one. Good question. I don't know where we actually have this one. That's not a video, it says, Don't my wife $5 you have it. $5 you have it.
Oh, you are, so you don't want to take too much.
I think I'm ready.
You are, okay.
Yeah.
What did it all come to? I don't even know.
So these are, I think, 25
Is
cents.
this not yours?
Yeah,
This is mine.
Oh,
That's
okay.
$10.
$10.
Like $2, I think, for shirts.
And then these,
Yeah, and these, I think 25 cents for each.
okay, $12.75.
Okay, cool.
Upstairs and
Get my
downstairs.
hands. Sorry,
Although this many markers,
rectangle. 12.75.
that's pretty good for $1, right?
Let me give you the, and then I'll give you a 10. Oh, you can keep it. Thank you. Please keep it. Thank you for the deal.
Oh, thank you.
Here's 13.
Thank you. Yeah, anything in that box is 25 cents.
Thank you. And now I'm gonna slowly move those things out of the way. Thank you.
It's too early for me to do all this math.
Debbie, you need my help?
Thank you guys.
Thank you so much.
Good luck
Have a
with
great
the move.
weekend. Thank you so much.
Morning. How are you? Hi. Would you do 10 for both of those? 15 originally.
That's fine.
Okay. Thank you. Speakers. Sir? For this one, do you have the rest of the set? I think there's a total of 8.
So no, whatever we have is out. Most of them are, I don't know how many are in a given set, to be honest with you. I
Okay.
know that whatever we have is
It's out here.
out, yeah.
Right?
Yeah.
Okay,
yeah.
cool. How much is this one then?
That set is $10.
$10?
Yeah.
Would you do 5 for it?
It's not mine, it's my daughter's.
Oh, okay.
Yeah.
She's
she
adamant
spent
about
her
it?
money on it, on all of them. You know,
Okay.
she was going through a big phase and she read them all once. They were only hers. So I just can't. I'm sorry.
That's
Yeah,
okay.
yeah,
Alright, let me think
yeah.
about it. I'll
Okay,
come back
sure
to
thing.
you.
Sure
Thank
thing.
you.
Sure thing. Sure thing. Don't go home empty-handed. I haven't seen you in a while. You guys all right? All right, good. Nice. To the kids or for just you and Mike? Nah. Mike and I went to Spain. Oh, wow. Oh, awesome. What's that? Awesome. Well, yeah. I moved from a big pod to a 1-unit storage thing, and we're seeing if I can get out of all my units. Yeah.
Would you give me a better deal if I throw in the jersey here with
You
that?
can take the jersey with it. I just can't do anything on the books because they're not.
Yeah, I know. I understand that. Spending the money on the collection and then letting it go.
Yeah,
so
yeah, that
thank
was
you,
it.
thank
yeah.
you.
Yeah, sure thing. My daughter was
a big
she
comic
was a
reader.
Yankees fan enough. No, well, I haven't. Sorry, it's my like stepdaughter kind of. I'm not even like married to her mother, but those are all her books. But I've been living here for 5 years, so
In
I
the
can't do that.
Box, there are not more, right? I
No,
see
no,
you
no,
seal.
no.
It's
that's
just
it.
that.
That's
Okay,
it.
cool.
This was the other one was my blood daughter, but she like outgrew the jersey.
Got it.
Yeah.
Okay. All right.
All
Thank you
well,
so
enjoy
much.
the book.
I think we do pretty well today. Let's do a quick recap. Simpsons, brand new puzzle. We got New York Yankees jersey. Number 2 for Jeter. We have, what do we have here? We have the CoverGirl Easy Breezy defined pencil. I don't know what it is. For 11 of them here. And then we have a set of books, comic books. I think it's special edition. They call it Black Edition here. We have a couple of empty VHS tapes, 5 of them. We have another jersey here, All-Star NBA 23. We got from the moving cell 48. Here's the back, Jordan 23 Wizard. We got I think the speaker, Sony speaker here. Has all the power cords, and then I think this is the subwoof for it. And then what else? We also have Scooby-Doo PlayStation 2, Google Nest temperature sensor, brand new.